So thank you for joining this workshop that will be dedicated to the modeling of integrated components on the whole energy system, which integrates a large scale of renewable energy. We are on day 2 and not on day 1. That's no mistake on my slide. But today we'll speak about renewable hybrid power plants. So just I will begin a short introduction on the TwInSolar project. So the TwInSolar project focuses on the massive integration of solar energy production in the region and other insular territories that face the same issue. So it's a close collaboration between TU that will lead the workshop today, from CPMR, that is an institution that gather maritime countries and islands. Nexa, that is the Agent of Innovation in Renewable and the University of Paris. So we've done a large communication and dissemination throughout research and innovation efforts in the field of energy, and why we organize this workshop in order to train people in the field of energy and how better integrate the renewable energy inside the grid. Something to check. We cannot hear you well. Okay, I can't hear me well, so I will try to speak louder. Okay, so the mic will be up to the speaker. So today, so we are the second day of the workshop. So yesterday we had a workshop on renewable hybrid power plants modeling. So we do HyDesign. We have two speakers today. So the first speaker will be Kaush Das. He is a associate professor at the TTU and more precisely in the Department of Wind Energy System. So his current research focus is on hybrid power plants and energy plants. Power system balancing and grid integration of variable renewables in power system. The second speaker will be Megha Gupta. She's a postdoc at DTU, also at the Department of Wind and Energy System. And her current focus is hybrid power plant sizing and operation with power grids, power system steady state analysis, and optimization of energy markets. So